Hello, and welcome back to From China with Love. It's your girl China Love, and today we are going to be doing some flexi curls on my MicroLocs. So if you're interested in seeing how I achieve that look, if I achieve that look, hopefully, stay tuned, keep watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you enjoy the content. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I'll see you in the video. Alrighty. So, like I said, we're going to be doing we're going to be attempting to do some flexi rod curls on my MicroLocs. When you see this, the holidays will have passed, but it's Christmas Day, and I'm trying something new, so hopefully it comes out well. So I have 3 packs of flexis. I bought these when I still had loose natural hair. So these are just the sizes that I have on hand. I have the 9/16, 3/8, and the 5/8. Okay, so ideally I would want to use the 3/8, which is the smaller size, but we're just going to see what we can do. So what I'm going to do, let me see what else I have first. I'm going to be using the Lottabody Style Me Texturizing Setting Lotion, and then I'm going to be also using some oil mix. I did just hop out of the shower and I did, what do you call it? I just wet my hair. I didn't wash it, I just wet it. So let me go ahead and do the oil now while it's still mostly wet. Just oiling my scalp mostly. My hair is pretty dry. I mean pretty dry. Oh my god. My hair is pretty wet. It's not dripping wet, but it's wet. It's not just damp, it's pretty wet. But my hair does dry fast also, and I have time, so if it's not dry, I'm just gonna set it under the dryer. Alright, so first I'm oiling my scalp. Okay. Now I did want to try something. So I do have this, like I said, I'm going to be using the Lottabody, but I like the mousse when it foams and everything. So I want to see if I have this bottle. Typically this is what I would use, the Aunt Jackie's Freeze Patrol setting mousse, but I don't have any more. It's empty. So I'm going to see if the Lottabody will foam if I use it in this bottle. So you guys test that with me. I'm just squeezing it in there. And let's see what happens. Alright, it's in there, and let's see. I'm giving it, oh my goodness, it worked! I gave it a few pumps, so let me give it a few more. The bottle is a little old. It's working! I'm trying to make sure it's not just old product in the straw. It's actually working, so I'm excited about that. Alright, so what I'm going to do, cool beans, now we know that works. So what I'm going to do now, I also have some scrunchies somewhere. I thought I'd put them down where, let me get some clips and I'll, alright, I am back and I found my scrunchies and I got 2 clips. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to, side note, look out for the, I know you guys, I'm so bad. I have not done my 2-month or 3-month lock update yet, or even, I didn't even do a 1-month lock update. I'm so sorry, you guys. So this is my 3-month, so look out for that video. That will be dropping soon, and it'll answer any questions about my hair. You're going to see some things, and I know I mentioned some things in my initial lock journey video about my locks. So like I said, look out for that information in my lock update. So like I said, right now, we're going to be sectioning my hair. I'm going to do the longer, I mean the thicker, you know, what do you call it? The thicker flexis in the back. No, sorry, at the top, and then the smaller ones in the back. So, alright. So I'm just going to be grabbing a section of hair. Oh god, I can't remember the last time I even did a flexi rod set on my loose natural hair. Okay, so I'm going to grab 1, 2, and I'm gonna just grab some. Yeah, I'm gonna go grab some. That much mousse. This many. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's about 8. 9 MicroLocs. And let's see. So I'm gonna do it like this. I'm gonna do it like this. And then I'm gonna do it like this. And since my flexes are so long, I think I'm gonna try to put more on one thingy. So now I'm gonna do like that. Grab a few more. Like this. And then what? Oh my goodness. I'm gonna just wrap it around like that. And then fold this up. Boom. That feels pretty secure. Alright. So I have this whole section here. All of this is going to go on here. I'm going to do it the same way. So let me get my pumps. And remember, I'm using the Lottabody. I'm just putting it in this container so I can get the foam. And I'm going to get the top section first. Starting on the ends. Like it. Fold the end in. Okay. My arms are tired already. Alright. So that's how the back is looking. Alright, and now I'm gonna do my last. Oh, I thought I had two more. I have one more. What do you call these things? One more this size. I'm trying to figure it out. I need to retwist. Not right anyway. Alright, I'll put it on this side. I'll put a mirror over here. Wrap it here. And then like this. Put this down. And then this side. So like this. Fold that like that. Okay. Now I'm going to move to the 5/8. And the reason why I'm doing it like this too is because the smaller ones in the back and the bottom and the bigger ones at the top, it gives you a more tapered kind of look. And I feel like when you don't have the consistent size, it just gives it a better look with the big ones at the top. If you had tighter curls at the top and then bigger curls at the bottom, that would just be off balance. Alright, so I'm going to try to do the same way with the bigger ones. Okay. Alright, I'm going to skip and I will be back. Alright. I'm trying a different rolling method. So I'm just grabbing the whole thing to the end and just rolling it like this on these orange ones. And then wrap it like that. On this side. This much. It's a little too much. Okay, so let's take out some of these. not this much. Use the product in. One more orange. Put it in this back section. Okay, I dropped this pack so I didn't realize this was a smaller one than the orange one, but they're not so drastically different that it'll make much of a difference. So this will be fun. All right, last pack, almost done. And I'm not doing it too tight here either, you guys. All right, we're on our last leg, the last 3. Last 3. I'll show you what I do. Okay, so I started taking it down. Hopefully the camera caught some of that action, but I ran out of space. But what I was saying is, a tip when you're doing it, make sure you're rolling the hair all the same way, so when you unloosen it. Right now, these hairs are wrapped different ways. So I'm just going to go and like slide this. There we go. Alright, and I'm just kind of like trying to hold the curls together while I'm unraveling it so that I can run the dryer on it. Alright. Look at this. Oh my goodness. We're gonna make it work though. Okay. And some of them are dry and some of them aren't. I don't know. It's weird. So I'll be right back when I'm finished taking everything out. Alrighty. So I took out all of the Flexi rods and this is what it's looking like. So like I said, it was still wet when I took it out. So what I did was slide them out and try to hold the shape. And then I just kind of like held it like this, and then with the air dryer. So we'll see what it's looking like. So I'm just gonna kind of go through and just, what am I gonna do? Just pull it apart a little bit. Just kind of zhuzh it, since I know it's not perfect. The back is more so, what do you call it? More put together. I mean, more dry.
blind and I can't see. So I'm gonna go to the mirror and then I'll be right back.
Alright, this is what I have it looking like. I just kind of zhuzhed and did like this, brought this down here, and then I might put some pins like around here to hold it down. And then, yeah, this is what I got it looking like. I'm gonna call this a fail, honestly. I failed here, and yeah, so I'm definitely gonna try this again, but yeah, good enough for now. I don't know, I might keep looking at it and decide I don't like it and put a wig on. But yes, let's see, turn around to the back. Hopefully it's not looking so patchy. But yeah, that's it for today. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for liking, sharing, and subscribing. And I hope to see you in the next video. Happy holidays.